Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss quadratic equations, exercise 5.2, problem number 6 and 7. Keep on watching, don't skip the video till the end. That will definitely helpful for you. If you are watching first time of my video, just subscribe the channel and try to share this video to your friends and family members as much as possible. If you did not watch the previous video, then do watch the previous video by clicking this I button, as well as you can go with playlist also. Question number 6. Find the dimensions of a rectangle whose perimeter is 28 meters and whose area is 40 square meters. So here we need to find the dimensions of a rectangle. So what are the dimensions of a rectangle? Length and breadth we need to find. So here length and breadth we don't know. So we need to find length and breadth. Here it is given. Perimeter of the rectangle is given. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? Yes, it is 2 of L plus B. 2 of L plus B equal, we are getting here 28 meters we are getting. Also here it is given by area. So what is the area of the rectangle? It is L into B. Now we can see the solution. Let length of the rectangle equal x meters. Now here perimeter of the rectangle is given. Perimeter of the rectangle equal 28 meters it is given. Now perimeter of the rectangle formula is, that is 2 of L plus B equal 28. This 2 we have to transpose. So into becomes divide. L plus B equal 28 by 2. 2 ones are 2 14s are. L plus B equal 14. Now L value we have, that is x plus B equal 14. This x we have to transpose. B equal 14 minus x we are getting. So B means, what is B here? Length we are taking as a L. Breadth we can take as a B. So breadth of the rectangle, B equal 14 minus x meters. So up to here it is clear. Again here it is given by area of the rectangle is given. Area of the rectangle is given by 40 square meters it is given. So area of the rectangle equal 40 square meters. So what is the area of the rectangle? L into B. So L into B equal 40. L, length how much we took? Here x we took, and breadth we got it 14 minus x we got equal 40 as it is. Now multiply x into 14, 14x, plus into minus, x into x, x square equal 40. Now this total terms I am transposing to right. So I am transposing to right means we can get here 0 equal 40 minus 14x plus x square we can get. So here we can write in the quadratic equation form we have to write it. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 type we need to write. Means here x square minus 14x plus 40 equal to 0. Now we are using the factorization method. We are using x square coefficient is 1 and constant term is 40. 1 into 40, 40. So 40 how many times we have to write it? 1 40s are, 2 20s are, 4 10s are. So we are adding or subtracting, we can't get the 14. 40 plus 1 it is 41. 40 minus 1 that is 39. It is not work out as. Next second one you have to take 20 plus 2, 22, 20 minus 2, that is 18. It is also not worked out. This one you have to take. 4 plus 10, that is 14 we are getting, but here minus 14 is there. For both you have to give the minus. So now x square minus 4x minus 10x plus 40 equal to 0. In this first two terms in x we need to take the common. X we took the common means here x is remained minus 4. Here minus 10 we have to take the common. X will minus we are taking common means we need to change the sign. Minus into minus plus we can get of 4. Total overall common here x minus 4 and x minus 4. That one you have to take the common. X minus 4 we took the common. Here it is remained by x minus 10. Here x, here minus 10 is remained. That one we return. Now 0 individually we need to write x minus 4 equal 0. X minus 10 equal 0. This is x minus 4. This is x minus 10. We written individually. This minus 4 becomes plus 4. X equal minus 4. I transpose to right. We are getting plus 4. Minus 10 also you can transpose to right. We are getting plus 10. We are getting. So x values we got it. X means here what we took, that one you have to write it. So what we need to find here? Find the dimensions. Dimensions means length and breadth we need to find. Therefore, if here x values, both values we got now, both values we need to substitute. Here both are positive values only. So if x equal to 4, the length of the rectangle L equal 4 meters. Breadth of the rectangle we took here 14 minus x, that equal 14 minus 4, that equal 10 meters. Now if here x equal 4 completed, if x equal to 10, length of the rectangle L equal to x we took, that is 10 meters. Breadth of the rectangle here, that is 14 minus x, that equal 14 minus 10, that equal 4 meters. This is about the dimensions of a rectangle. Question number 7. The base of a triangle is 4 centimeters longer than its altitude. The area of the triangle is 48 square centimeters. Then find its base and altitude. So here we need to find base and altitude we have to find. Here it is given by the base is 4 meters longer than its altitude it is given. So 4 meters more it is. So here we can take solution. Here base is 4 meters longer than altitude means we need to take altitude as any variable you have to take. The altitude of the triangle equal x centimeters. Base of the triangle equal 4 meters longer means more, 4 meters more than its altitude means x plus 4 centimeters. And here it is given by area of the triangle is given. So area of the triangle equal 48 square centimeters. 48 square centimeters. First just you have to take the diagram. So this is the right angle triangle. Altitude means height of the triangle. It is perpendicular to the base. Altitude always perpendicular to the base. So it is a right angle triangle. So here it is the base. Base we are taking as a x plus 4 centimeters and altitude is x centimeters. This total area it is given by 48 square centimeters is given. So area of the triangle 1 by 2 BH equal 48. 1 by 2 as it is. Base B means base. Base is x plus 4 into height. Height means altitude of the triangle. In a right angle triangle, altitude is height of the triangle, means x equal 48. So x into x, x square plus 4 into x, 4x whole by 2 equal 48. This 2 we need to transpose. This denominator we are transposing to right. So x square plus 4x equal 48 into 2. So x square plus 4x equal 96. This 96 you have to transpose to left. X square plus 4x minus 96 equal 0. It is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. Means it is a quadratic equation. So this one we need to find the factors. I am using here factorization method. I am using here coefficient of x square is 1, constant term is 96. 1 into 96 we are getting as a 96. 96 how many times we have to write it? 6 ones, 2 4s are, 2 8s are, 2 24s are, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are. We need 4 we need. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Means 8 into 12. We can get the 4. Subtracting means we are getting the plus. For bigger number plus, for smaller number we can give the minus. Means here x square plus 8x minus 12x minus 96 equal to 0. In this first two terms we need to take x as a common. So x we took the common. Here x square in x remained. Here 8x in 8 is remained plus 8. So in this minus 12x minus 96. So minus 12x minus 96 in minus 12 we are taking as a common. Minus 12 we took the common. X is remained. Minus we are taking means we are getting the plus. Minus into plus we can get the minus. 12 8s are 96 equal to 0. Now here x plus 8, here x plus 8. We can take the whole common. You have to take x plus 8 we took the common. Here it is remained. X is remained. Here minus 12 is remained. Means x minus 12 equal to 0. Now we need to write this 0 individually. We have to write it. Means x plus 8 equal to 0. X minus 12 equal to 0. Now this plus 8 you have to transpose. X equal to minus 8. X equal plus 12 we are getting. Minus 12 becomes plus 12. Plus 8 becomes minus 8. Here x values we got here minus and plus we got it. Minus 8 plus 12 we got it. Which one we have to take? Measurements never be in the negative direction. Means x value we need to take as a positive value. Means x value we can take 12. Therefore, the altitude of the triangle x equal 12 centimeters. Again base also we need to find. Base of the triangle that equal. Base of the triangle how much we took here? X plus 4 that equal 12 plus 4 that equals 16 centimeters. This is about the base and altitude of a triangle. In the next upcoming video, we will focus on different type of problems of a quadratic equations. Please support me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share. It will helpful for others also. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.